careful. You both have big heads. Good thing they're hard.
Oh. It's some kind of fluorescent moss.
How'd you know that?
Easy. When you're a treasure hunter like me, you've been everywhere and you've seen all kinds of
Come
bizarre...
on, Sonic.
I see! It's 2 against 1 now! These rocks are really slippery. Watch your step.
Oopsie.
I'm always the fall guy.
It's so wet.
It's too deep to wade across. We'll have to swim.
But that'd spoil my makeup.
Maybe I should go and keep Chris and Tails company.
Hey, not so fast! The bat can rot in this cave for all I care, but you're coming with me!
You can't get rid of me that easy.